Welcome to Skillcast by Skilltext.com, the podcast that helps you learn new skills and insights for your career and business. I'm Mahmoud, and today we're going to talk about organizing as a main function of management. Organizing is the process of arranging people and resources to work towards a common goal. It involves creating a structure, assigning roles and responsibilities, and coordinating activities. Organizing is essential for achieving efficiency, effectiveness, and adaptability in any organization. Organizing can be done at different levels of an organization, depending on the scope and purpose of the work. These levels are strategic, tactical, and operational. Strategic level is where managers define the overall vision, mission, goals, and strategies of the organization and design the organizational structure. While tactical level is where managers translate the strategic plans into specific objectives, policies, and procedures, and assign tasks and responsibilities to the subordinates. Operational level is where managers execute the tasks and activities that are necessary to achieve the objectives and coordinate and communicate with the other members of the organization. Organizing can also be done in different ways, depending on the nature and needs of the organization. Some of the common methods and models of organizing are functional, divisional, matrix, network, and team-based. The functional organization is where the organization is divided into departments or units based on the functions or activities that they perform, such as marketing, finance, production, or human resources. While a divisional organization is where the organization is divided into divisions or segments based on the products or services that they offer, the markets or customers that they serve, or the regions or locations that they operate in. A matrix organization combines the functional and divisional methods and creates a dual structure of reporting and authority. A network is where the organization outsources some of its functions or activities to external partners or suppliers and creates a network of relationships and contracts. Finally, team-based organizations are composed of teams or groups of employees who work together on a specific project, task, or goal. To illustrate how organizing can be applied in real life, let's look at some examples of successful organizations that have used organizing to their advantage. Apple uses a functional structure, where it groups its employees by their expertise and skills, a network structure, where it outsources some of its functions to external partners or suppliers, and a team-based structure, where it forms cross-functional teams to work on specific projects. This allows Apple to maintain a high level of quality, consistency, and excellence in its products and services, and to foster a culture of collaboration, innovation, and secrecy. Another example, Netflix. It uses a divisional structure, where it divides its business into segments based on the markets or customers that it serves, a matrix structure, where it combines the divisional and functional structures and creates a dual reporting and authority system, and a team-based structure, where it empowers its employees to work in small, autonomous, and self-managed teams. This allows Netflix to cater to the different tastes, preferences, and regulations of its customers, and to create a culture of freedom, responsibility, and innovation. That's all for today's episode of Skillcast. I hope you learned something new and useful about organizing as a function of management. If you want to learn more, please visit skilltext.com and our YouTube channel, where you can find more resources and videos on this topic. Thank you for listening, and stay tuned for the next episode of Skillcast. Bye for now.